Hello, scholars. Nice to see you this morning. I am so excited to begin the newest, most exciting game show at BTW Elementary.
Hey! What I miss? All right, so every week we will have this game show, Hey! What I Miss, and you'll get to meet with me, Miss D, you remember, and we'll just review some things that maybe, were missed last year. Was last year crazy or what? So I'm here just to get us back on track, get you ready for this upcoming very exciting school year, and go over all things that maybe you missed along the way. So I can't wait to get started. Be on the lookout for these episodes of the newest game show at BTW. Next week, they'll be coming to you on Google Classroom. So don't forget, the most exciting, energetic, fun, newest game show at BTW. Hey! What I miss. All right, y'all have a great day.